Hi, I'm Fumichika. Please call me Fumi. I'm a customer support from OpenLM Japan. Today, I would like to talk about Virtual License Manager. Virtual License Manager is only supported for OpenLM Cloud and then only supported for a FlexNet embedded. First of all, you need to register OpenLM Cloud and then go to OpenLM Cloud portal. You see a lot of available products and then you can activate them if you want to use. And then software license management cloud is actually the easy admin, OpenLM server browser UI, and then virtual license manager needs OpenLM server to be configured with broker for FlexNet embedded. So as a prerequisite, you need to configure OpenM server with FlexNet embedded with broker. So you see the list of FlexNet embedded in here. These lists will be reflected in Virtual License Manager. So once activated, like Virtual License Manager activated, you can use it, and then it has got two roles. One role is administrator, another role is manager. What administrator can do is to create virtual license manager and then create a virtual pool out of it. And then virtual pool holds the licenses of features. And then what manager can do is manager can create, not create, I'm sorry. Manager can assign that license in the pool to a certain user. So I will log into Virtual License Manager with the administrator role. So first of all, you see the list of the license managers reflected from the OpenM server. So from multiple physical license manager, you can create virtual license manager, one virtual license manager. But doesn't have to be multiple. It can be a single physical license manager as well. So whatever you want, you can name it, and then license manager type FlexNet embedded, and then from the each physical license manager, you can choose features as many as you want. And then once virtual license manager is created, you see the list of physical license manager mapped, and then you can go details which features are assigned. And then from virtual license manager, you can create a virtual pool. And then from this screen, you can only choose one feature to create one virtual pool. You cannot do it at the same time for multiple features. You can only assign the single feature to a single pool. So as you wish, you can type the quantity you want. So total quantity 48, so 24, 32, something like that. And then allocation manager, you can assign the user which has got the role of manager role. So for example, I have one administrator role for a virtual license manager, and then this one is the manager role for virtual license manager. So I will assign the manager here. And then once a virtual pool is created, you see the list and you see the details like allocation manager, the manager role, and then go to details. You see the feature assigned to the pool. So in this case, like 24 is the licenses assigned to that pool. If you delete it, those quantity will be back into the virtual license manager. So you can use up to zero, like you can use all quantity up to zero. So I will have to log in as the manager role next time, this time. So I'm logging in as the manager role. Then open the virtual license manager with manager role. You only see the pool created from administrator here. And then manage license allocation, and then execute license allocation. Then you can assign the device, I mean user, to that license in the pool. So device ID means like license manager automatically generate device ID. So you have to ask the person who is in charge of license manager or user actually using the application to get the device ID and then type it in here. And then I mean like only assigned user to that license, I mean like allocated user can only check out license. So you see the device ID quantity and then you see the list of assigned user allocation. So only allocated user can check out license. So in short, like administrator can create a virtual license manager from multiple physical license manager or single physical license manager, whatever. And then you can create a pool, virtual pool out of it, and then you can assign their license to a certain user allocation. So this is it. Thank you for listening, and then I hope you have a good day. Thank you very much. Bye now.